Hi, I'm Will Bowers. I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of Virginia with Allison James Estates and Homes. Today I'm going to be talking about spring home projects you can be doing right now. If you're like millions of Americans who have been staying at home right now, then this could be a great time to finally tackle some projects you've been putting off. Making small repairs, being vigilant about doing home maintenance, and doing deep cleaning in your home are all great projects to tackle in the upcoming weeks. Here's some suggestions of some spring home projects that can help keep you busy and possibly even reduce your bills. Number one, clean the fridge. This is an excellent time to take stock in what's in your fridge and to use up your perishables. Take everything out of the refrigerator and wipe down all the surfaces. Defrost your freezer if you have any ice buildup, and use the frozen foods that are nearing their expiration dates. In addition, vacuum the coils in the back of your refrigerator. When the coils are coated with dust and dirt, they don't operate as efficiently. You'll save money on your energy costs as well as the wear and tear in your refrigerator or standalone freezer if you have one, if you clean the coils regularly. Number two, clean the gutters. Spring is here, so this is the perfect time to get the ladder out and clean those gutters. Dirt, leaves, and other debris can clog up the gutters over the winter. When the gutters are clogged, water cannot pass through them properly, and this can ultimately lead to water damage near the foundation. If you get a chance, spend a sunny afternoon completing this task, and you'll be good to go during the rainy season. Number three, prep your AC system. Warm weather will be here soon, and is your air conditioner ready for this? Now is the time to get the air conditioning ready for the spring and summer months. Change the filter, check the hoses and the connections for leaks, clean the coils like you would with the fridge. You should also make sure that the drain pans are able to drain freely. Number four, clean the windows. I know there are not many people who enjoy doing this, but it does make a difference when it comes to letting natural light into the house. Windows can become very dirty and grimy over the winter months. Use a store-bought window cleaner or possibly one that you've created to remove the grime that's built up on the windows and get the surface shining again. If you left the screens up during the winter, remove them and clean them with a mild cleaner. Let them air dry and put them back in. Number five, clean up the yard. There's nothing like some fresh air to feel invigorated. Set aside some time to go outside and clean up your yard in preparation of the spring and summer. Remove leaves and branches that might have built up during the fall and the winter months. Make sure the faucets and the sprinkler system are working. Clean and sharpen your garden tools. And also, get your mower ready. I hope these tips help get your home ready for the spring and summer months. Thanks again for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel. I have future videos coming up with tips for maintaining your property, as well as information regarding the real estate industry in general. Thanks again. We'll talk to you next time.